Click on Start and type in cmd for command prompt. Type in java-version to check if Java is not currently installed on your machine. Go to your browser. Go to adoptium.net. Click on Other platforms and versions. Search the JDK for your specific operating system. Here I download the zip file for Windows. Save it on your machine. I save it in a folder on my C disk called Java. Wait for the download to finish. Then extract the contents of the zip file in the folder. You can remove the zip file. Open the extracted folder and copy the file location. Then click on Start and type in Environment Variables. Open the settings. Click on Environment Variables. Then click on New and type in Java_home in capital letters. Paste the copied folder. Then scroll down and find Path. Click on Edit. Then click on New and type in %Java_home in capital letters, then \bin. Save the settings. Click on Start and type in cmd for command prompt again. Type in java-version and now you should have Java installed on your machine. Hey, my name is Keso, and you want to learn more about what you've just done and what you've just installed? Then either subscribe to my channel or check out the comments or the description, because next week I will be releasing a video about how to get started with Java in 2022. So check down below if it's already there, or if not, then subscribe to my channel for more Java related content. See you in the next one. Bye!